In this specific video, I want to show you how to configure the plugin on your WordPress site. Now, as you can see here, you have a mode. So by default, it's going to look like this. So if you want to enable your plugin, you would just want to click on that. But if you want to disable your plugin, let's say you're testing it out or you're just not using it at the moment, you can just uncheck it. So once you're ready to actually use the plugin, you'll want to click Enable Plugin. You actually also have an option if you want to show this specific pop-up on your home page, you can do that. So, if somebody lands on your home page and you don't want to do that, you want to give some people, free stuff first before you actually try to get them to tweet it, then you want to uncheck that. But that's there as an option if you choose to do that. Now, the title here is basically what people will see. Now, when they go to a specific post or page on your site, they will basically see the title. So you could either say something like share to see details about this new plugin, or share to see details about this premium post, something along those lines. The URL is basically the location as to where your WordPress site is located. And then the content is basically what people will see. So you can either enter text here, you can enter images. Images are actually better if you can place that here, because that's what people are going to see, and you definitely want to entice them to share or tweet or Google or Facebook your post. So let's say, for example, that you are going to give away a free report. So you could put the image of the free report here and say, to grab this free report, please share this post. So you would say that in the title, you would have the image, and then on the post or page itself, you would actually have the free report that they can download. So that's what content is all about. So you can change that however you would like to. Twitter message, if it says if empty, the article's title will be in the message. So you could customize your Twitter message if you want to. You don't have to. If you don't, basically what's going to pop up is they're going to see something that looks like this. So as you can see, the title, you've got the content, you've got the Facebook tweet, Twitter, and Google. So going back to the configuration settings here, if you have a Twitter message, you can customize that if you choose to do so. But if you leave it blank, when somebody does a tweet, it's going to show this up here. Additional settings, you can also make the pop-up here count down. And the only reason why you would need a countdown is if you wanted to close the pop-up. So if you put a countdown here and it was 10 seconds and you clicked on this here, then it would automatically close after a countdown. So imagine somebody going to a specific post, like a free report. If that's the case and you want them to tweet to Facebook or Google plus it, you probably don't want to have that there. But that's an option if you choose to do so, because there's so many ways of using the Social Power plugin. So that's just something to keep in mind. You can also do a delay in seconds. We've covered this, but if you click on this, then after the countdown or delay, then when somebody, they see the pop-up, it will say, close this pop-up. But like I said, if you want somebody to, tweet your message or share it, you probably don't want to have these. Save cookies, if you check this, then basically what happens is if somebody tweets or likes or Google Plus, then when they come back to that same page or post, then they won't have to do that again. But if you want them to tweet it next time or so forth, you can simply uncheck that. So that's an option if you choose to go that route. Another setting is style settings, basically the look of your pop-up. So you have two different settings here. You have background color, which is we're using the HTML color chart. And if you don't know how to choose that or change that, I'm going to show you how to do that. And then we have the background opacity, which is basically transparency and so forth. And you have the option from 0 opacity to yes, 1 opacity. Now what I want to do is show you how to change the background color. Now this is basically HTML color codes, and 00000 points to the color black. Now if you want to change it to a different color, simply go to Google and type in HTML color chart, as you can see here. And you're going to get a bunch of sites that tell you, what the colors are, the codes are, and so forth. For example, as we're looking at this, that's black. If you wanted to change it to red, this specific color, or yellow, you would just copy that color code over to here. So that's how to change the background color, and as you can see, it's very, very easy to change. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to apply this to a post or page, and we'll actually look at what it looks like after you have done that.